My name is Sabrina Mona Malik. I will analyze a research article with the title Improving Student Speaking Skill through podcast at 10 MIPA 2 students of SMAN 1 Rejoso by Dia Winanjar, Rahayu Sujono, and Haryono, volume 17, number 2, October 2022. Good morning, everyone. Today I will be presenting one of the quasi-experimental research projects that aims to assess the impact of using podcast media on the speaking skill of 10th grade students at SMN Sabtu Rejoso during the 2021-2022 academic year. The primary aim of this research is to how implementing podcasts can improve the speaking skills of 10th grade students. The object is to analyze the significant difference in students' speaking abilities before and after incorporating podcasts into the teaching methodology. By integrating podcasts into the teaching methodology, this research seeks not only to look at the overall positive impact, but also to understand how the use of this medium can specifically improve English speaking ability at the secondary school level. Next, I'm going to deal with the three aspects of the subject. The research was conducted using a combination of methods, including quasi-experimental research design with a one-group pre-test, post-test design. The chosen design involves measuring the dependent variable before and after the treatment in single group, which allows for the explanations of the effect of the independent variable on the dependent variable. The research procedure consists of 8 steps: preliminary visit, compose a lesson plan, giving a pre-test, giving treatment, giving a post-test, collecting the data, and making a conclusion. To analyze data, the research employed descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics include conclusion such as mean, median, model, and standard deviation, while inferential statistics involve the test. The mean was used to find the average score of students before the applications of the podcast treatment, the median to identify the middle value in sorted the data group, the model determine the most frequently occurring data, and standard deviation the measure of the ability student after the treatment. As we can see, the result demonstrated a very significant difference before and after using the podcast method to enhance students' speaking skill was supported by research findings. The study demonstrated a positive impact of podcast-based teaching on students' speaking skill at SMN Satrujoso. The pretest result indicated low speaking skills with scores below the passing grade attributed to students' lack of fluency and comprehensions after the podcast-based treatment on the second day. The post-test results show improvement with increased score, influence, and comprehensions. The mean score rose from 49 in the pre-test to 80 in the post-test. And then next, in conclusion, the study demonstrated a significant improvement in student speaking skill through the implementation of the podcast method. The comparisons of pre-test and post-test scores clearly indicated a positive impact on fluency, comprehensions, vocabulary, and pronunciation. The research findings supported by statistical analysis with a test value of 27 surpassing the table value of 100, 1690. The alternative hypotheses were rejecting the null hypothesis. This affirms that podcast method effectively enhance student speaking skill among 10 MIPA 2 students at SMAN 1 Rejoso in the academic year of 2021-2020. Maybe that's all for me. More and less apologies, and thank you.